Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do ombre eyeliner on hands. I have prepped my skin beforehand. If you want to see how I did that, you can watch my previous video. I will put the link in the description box below. So now I'm drawing eyebrows. Now I'm applying eyeliner for more dimension. Now I will be filling the blank spaces with black eyeshadow on my brush. Now I'll be concealing my brows. Now I am drawing an outline for my eyes. Now I'm applying brown shade. Now I am applying eyeliner. I have not applied the eyeliner fully, as in the middle I have to apply glitter also, and for applying glitter I am using Swiss Beauty glitter, liquid glitter in the shade Champagne. Now with the help of a brush I am applying the glitter. Now with my eyebrow pencil, I will be drawing an outline for my upper lid. Now with the help of my eyeliner, I will be drawing my eyelashes. So I'm done with my eyelashes and this is the final look. I hope you guys like this. And if you found my video to be informative, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment.